Dude, where are you going on such a hurry? McDonald's? Why are you going to McDonald's? For a muffin? Do you know what's inside the toasters that make the muffin? No? Well, come with me and Embassy and I'll show you.
This is what starts off. It's in a powder-like material.
The raw powder that we just seen is going to compact and then turn into this part. What kind of parts do you make at Embassy?
Anything from automotive to lawn and garden to anti-vibration and home appliances such as washers, dryers.
The raw parts are placed into an oven and baked, so they are hard and unbreakable.
What is the growth potential at Embassy like?
Growth potential at Embassy, as far as an employee is concerned, I feel is really well. We're able to bring you in at entry level, not knowing much, and work your way up through and let you pick a career path from there. We're able to send people off to training, whether it's using our local outside or training inside. And the growth of the company is untapped yet. We're able to meet into major industries.
Manufacturing. I just had this happen the other day. I had my grandson and I was using my pepper grinder. He didn't know what it was, so I showed him what it did and then I took it apart. And I said, see these two little parts in here? Grandma makes those at work. And he looked at me and said, that's cool.
Wow, I finally got my muffin.
Manufacturing is so cool and delicious.